In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio on Weebly. Whether you're a designer, photographer, or any creative professional, having a portfolio is essential. It not only showcases your work, but also reflects your style and personality. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your portfolio up and running in just a few minutes. First, we begin by heading over to Weebly via your Square account. Open your browser and go to the Square appointment scheduling page. This is where you can sign in to your account. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in option and click on it. Enter your credentials and gain access to your account. It's important to have your details handy, as this will streamline the process and save time. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Square dashboard. This centralized hub allows you to access various tools and integrations in your Square ecosystem. From here, select Weebly, where you will manage and build your portfolio site. Click on the link heading to Weebly's overview page, which is the control center for all your Weebly sites. On the overview page, look for the edit site option. Clicking this will take you into the Weebly editor, where the magic happens. Here you can design your portfolio to reflect your personal style. The editor is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to drag and drop elements with ease. Inside the editor, find and click on the plus icon typically found in the toolbar. This icon is your gateway to adding new pages, elements, and modules to your website. After clicking the plus, select Page to begin creating a new page specifically for your portfolio. When creating a new page, think about the layout and design that best showcases your work. Consider using a grid format for visual-centric work, or a textual layout if you're a writer. Make sure to contribute to a cohesive and aesthetic representation of your projects. Remember, less is sometimes more. Avoid cluttering your page with too much information or too many elements. It's often more effective to let the work speak for itself. People visiting your portfolio should be able to navigate it easily, so be mindful of user experience. Finally, once you've added your content and you're satisfied with your design, make sure to preview your portfolio. This allows you to see how others will view it and gives you a chance to make any final adjustments. Once everything looks perfect, hit that publish button. Your portfolio is now live and ready to be shared with the world. That's it. You've successfully created a professional portfolio on Weebly. Remember, you can always go back and modify your site as you see fit. Portfolios are living documents that grow and change as you do. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy creating!